What is the tallest mountain in the Philippines?
Mount Apo.
Correct.
Mount Apo daw!
If you have 4 dozen cupcakes, how many cupcakes do you have?
48!
Correct.
Perfect!
What do you call an animals without backbones?
Vertebrate? Ha? Vertebrate?
Wrong.
Wait lang. Oh, ikaw na, science. Without back. Vertebra? Ha? Vertebra?
Wrong.
Kasi vertebrate may buto.
Oo.
Yung walang back. Non-vertebrate. Non-vertebrate.
Wrong.
Perfect! Invertebrate.
Ha?
Invertebrate. Invertebrate.
Correct.
Perfect!
What is the process of a liquid turning into a solid?
Liquid to solid. Evaporation?
Wrong.
No. Oo, alam ko yan eh. Condensation!
Wrong.
Evap tsaka condense! Freezing!
Correct. Igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic are types of what?
Rocks.
Ben.
Rocks.
Correct. It is a figure of speech that gives human qualities to non-living things or ideas.
Metaphor.
Huh?
Metaphor.
Wrong.
Metaphor. Personification. Personification.
Correct.
Tapon. Perfect.
What is butter made from?
Butter.
Yes.
Butter.
Huh?
Egg.
Ben.
Oil. Oil.
Wrong.
Egg. Egg.
Wrong.
Ito hindi ko alam. Milk.
Huh?
Milk.
Correct.
Ay, tama! Oh, di ba? We can do this.
Ay, kabog.
Cheater lang ako.
What chart arranges the chemical elements into rows and columns?
Rose.
Ito What? Ano?
Multiplication table.
Wrong.
Periodic table of elements.
Correct.
Perfect. Multiplication table sa galing yun.
What is the capital of Australia?
Canberra. Canberra.
Wrong.
Melbourne. Melbourne.
Wrong.
Australia.
Wrong. Malapit na yung sa'yo.
Canberra. Ano? Canberra. Calgary.
Wrong.
Canberra. Sabi sa amin malapit na yun. Canberra.
Wrong. Malapit na yun ka.
Canberra.
Correct.
Perfect! Tourism na yan!
What iron containing protein pigment causes